Hey guys, this is Epson Expression Home XP5200. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to your laptop with USB cable. What you need to do is you need to get a USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging, so you have the USB cable here. So you take this end, push it inside, then take this end of the cable, go to your laptop and plug it in. And it's in. Now the next you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to laptop settings. Go to Bluetooth and connections. Go to printer and scanner. Select add printer. It will start to search for available printer. Select Epson Expression Home. Test print. Here we go. So now it's printing. This is to show you that this printer is connected. Printing complete. You have correctly installed your Microsoft class driver laptop to this print. This is to show you that it will show you window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Printer property, it will tell you the laptop name, color support, yes, port name, USB, and data format, raw. So this is information you will get once you install the printer with USB. So you print it out. This is window test page to show you that this printer is connected properly via USB. Now select OK. Go to scanner settings. Select open scanner. Select the printer and select image as PDF. Select more option. You select where you want to save this document. Select downloads. Select this folder and select scan. Now this document is scanning from this printer to this laptop, and all this is with USB cable. With USB cable. So you can do so many things, scanning the original, printing completed. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select view. And this is the document we scanned using USB cable. If you want to print it out, you select print from the top. Then scroll down for the list and select Epson XP5200 series. It's ready. Select on it. Here we go. Then select print. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out. So we connected this printer with laptop using USB cable, scanned document, printed the document out. Our job here is done. If you want to send this document to somebody, then you go to your email address and attach it. But this document now is scanned. We've been able to hook this laptop and printer up together using USB cable. print document, scan document. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.